Hey traders, hope you're all doing well. It is Friday, February 21st today, and I'm just making my follow-up video, the final results of the Travel Trading Challenge. I meant to do this video earlier, but I was actually in Colombia. Pretty much as soon as I got back from Malaysia and Thailand, I turned right around and went to Colombia for a week. I had to attend a wedding there. So I didn't actually do any trading while I was in Colombia. Although I wanted to, I had a lot of stuff going on, and it would have been too much of a pain in the ass for me. So I just kind of took a full-on vacation, no trading whatsoever. But I'm back home now, and just here to wrap up with the grand total amounts of the Travel Trading Challenge, the video series that I've been doing for the last week or so. Here comes an ambulance or a cop car. All right, he's gone. But yeah, so anyway, grand totals. The total amount that I made in my 10 days of trading. Now I was on my trip for more than 10 days, but out of 10 trading days, I made a grand total of $3,211. Now remember, this is trading in very, very poor conditions with slow internet speed, one screen, and I think the most I ever traded in one day was maybe 7 or maybe 8 contracts. So really small size every day. Pretty much the worst conditions that you can trade in. Still made $3,211. The grand total amount that I spent while I was on the trip, now this is not airfare or Uber ride to and from the airport, just money that I spent, this is including the hotels every night and dinners and doing whatever I was doing. I bought some stuff. So all of that together, $1,647. Add up the $1,300, which included the round trip airfare and the Uber ride to and from the airport. Add that together, you get $2,947 total. So the money I made was $3,211 minus $2,947. I was successful. I paid for the entire trip with $264 to spare. So yay, I did it. This is, 2 weeks trip under very, very difficult conditions, wonky time zone. I still did it. And it's because the strategy works, as I keep saying over and over and over again on all the videos on this channel. And then even if I didn't manage to make up my daily expenditures on the trip, as soon as I got back and I had my full, setup at my disposal with my dual screens and my fast internet and everything, I made like $2,000 in the first 3 days that I was back. So, it's like when you go and travel and trade while you're traveling, even if it doesn't work for you while you're traveling, if you know what you're doing, you can make up all that money within days after you get home and you've got your setup like the way that you're used to. So, I'm not going to say that you can't lose, because you can definitely lose. Everybody loses. I have losing trades. Today I had a losing trade, but in the grand scheme of things, when you look at big picture, if you know how to trade stock options, you can make your living doing it. And it's what I do every single day. Now, today I had a losing trade on NVIDIA. I've been kind of up and down on NVIDIA this week. I traded it for the last couple of days. On Wednesday and Thursday, I was up and I made a profit on NVIDIA. Today, I lost money on NVIDIA. So all in all, it's kind of a wash for NVIDIA this week. But you know, I just wanted to try it out because it's got earnings next week, and I wanted to kind of like take advantage of what I knew would be some wild price swings with the volatility. And today I was really kicking myself today. I made kind of not a fatal mistake because I didn't lose a ton of money, but definitely a mistake. And that was I got in with a little bit too large of size early in the day. And then we had that 1 minute giant candle where the options premium totally spiked up on us. And I got out and I made money on that. And so during that one little spike, I was up like 600 bucks. But then I held on to too big of a chunk of my position, and then it reversed on me, and I ultimately like lost a couple $100 on the trade, which was annoying. Because I was up like 600 bucks, ended up losing a couple $100, all because I held on too long. I thought that we had at least more than 1 minute worth of price action that was going to go, you know, in my favor. And so the moral of this story is that in these current conditions, the way that the market's trading right now, you have to be extremely fast in and out. And where I used to kind of like size in a lot bigger and then sort of slowly peel out my positions, I'm definitely trying to size in smaller and be like in and out quicker on just a couple of contracts rather than sizing in large and then holding a larger chunk. Unfortunately, I held too large of a chunk today, and then it bit me in the ass, and I lost a couple $100 on that trade. If I had gotten out like all of my contracts right when I saw that 1 minute huge green candle, I would have been green on the day for like $600. But I thought that we would have more than 1 minute of positive price action, and we didn't. So, I mean, it just goes to show you that when you see 1 minute that goes in your favor, really, really capitalize on that. Don't think that you can just ride something all day long right now. It's a volatile time in the world, and it's a volatile time in the markets too. So my one bit of advice is be in and out very quickly on all of your contracts whenever you're trading. But to wrap up this video, yes, the Travel Trading Challenge was a success, as I expected it would be. And I'm back home just doing my thing. So I will be back with more videos whenever there's something new and interesting to talk about. Until then, if you don't have my course already, you can go ahead and get my course, lonewolftradingclub.com. You can get my book on Amazon, actually 2 books on Amazon. And if you have any questions or anything, just write me an email. I answer all of my emails. I don't have some big team of people working for me. I do it all myself. I don't want to have a big group of people working for me. I just want to be me and do my thing. And, you know, it's called Lone Wolf Trading Club for a reason. So until next time, I hope you're all having a good week and a good next week coming up. Until then, take care, everybody.